Tell me about Portola Paints, your family's business.
Yeah, so we started the business in early 2001. My father has been a building contractor for pretty much his whole life, building high-end custom homes. So at some point during that journey of his, he kind of fell out of love with construction a little bit and thought maybe we can go down a different path and to sort of create something that my brother and I can build and continue growing, which is what we've been doing. So family-owned business from the very beginning, manufacturing high-end specialty paints, plasters. To tie it into jiu-jitsu, which one of the things that has been a huge inspiration for me is when I get to create new colors and name them, I get to pull inspiration from anywhere I want. So got a number of paint colors that are all inspired by Brazil and inspired by jiu-jitsu. So it's a fun creative outlet.
Cool. Why paints? Why did you go into paints?
The origin,
out of all the
I
things,
know,
right?
right? Of all the things, but specifically, he was working on a project. The architect and designer were specifying these kind of unique finishes for the building, and through a little bit of research, found that there was nobody in the United States making or selling anything like these kind of old world finishes that were specified. We started out by importing the paint from this company in Australia that was making all these old style paints.
What's an old style paint? Like different color, different and like the consistency of it, the quality?
Yeah, the textural quality of it, the actual ingredients of it, like specifically.
Like they last a lot longer? Or what is it?
They are designed to sort of weather and create a patina over time. So as they fade, they change, but they create more beauty and depth in what the building was.
Like our paint on the front of Legacy.
Like the Legacy letters out there. Yeah, I'll go redo that sometimes here. Touch it up.
Yeah, we love it. We made a design, a shirt design, a sweater. I wish I was wearing it today.
Oh, that's so cool.
But of it actually.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So yeah, through that we, sort of found a little niche that nobody was tapped into, and before too long figured out how we could manufacture the paints here in LA, which we've been doing since 2001.
Wow. And you guys moved recently. You were just talking about you're going to be doing it. You're going to be having a restaurant. You're going to opening up a restaurant.
Yes.
In the property, right?
Yeah, we've been fortunate enough that we've continued grinding through all these years, the highs and lows, and we're able to purchase a building over on Lancashire nearby. And with that came this little burger shack that we've spent a good amount of time and money refurbishing and getting it ready, but coming soon, the Alley Burger coming soon.
Alley Burger?
Alley.
Alley Burger, that's right. Alley Burger.
Yeah, coming soon.
Cool. Can't wait to check it out.
Yeah, it's going to be
Try
good.
it out.
It's going to be good. Everyone's invited.
Nice.